In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a logo to your Calendly profile. This is a small but powerful way to personalize and brand your Calendly space, making it more professional and recognizable to your invitees. Whether you're an entrepreneur, a freelancer, or anyone who uses Calendly for scheduling appointments, adding a logo can significantly enhance your presence. To get started, you'll first need to log into your Calendly account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the Calendly dashboard, a familiar space for anyone who schedules events using this tool. This is where all your scheduling magic happens. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard if you haven't already. Next, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page, where you'll see your profile icon. Go ahead and click on it, which will prompt a drop-down menu to appear. From this menu, select Profile. You'll now find yourself in the Profile section, which presents an array of settings that govern how your Calendly profile functions. In particular, we're interested in the Branding area today. Click on Branding, and you'll open up a page devoted to customizing how your Calendly profile looks to others. This section is key to adding your professional touch. Now let's focus on adding your logo. On this page, look for the Upload Image button and click it. This action will open your File Explorer on your device. Here's where a little preparation helps. Navigate to the folder where you've saved your logo. Select the image file and click Open. The logo will then upload to Calendly. Once the upload completes, take a moment to review how your logo appears. Make sure the image is clear and well positioned. If everything seems rightly placed, go ahead and click Save Changes. And just like that, you've successfully added your logo to your Calendly profile. You've now made your scheduling page look more professional to clients, colleagues, and friends. As a quick tip, always use a high-quality image for your logo to ensure it looks crisp and clear on all devices. While you're in the branding section, don't hesitate to explore other customization options like adjusting colors or adding a welcome message to further tailor your page to reflect your unique personal brand. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Happy scheduling!